Hi all, welcome to Flower of the Day series. I'm Deepika, an intuitive energy healer and a floral alchemist. Today's flower is the Peepul tree flower. Peepul tree is a very auspicious tree which is known to have been the tree in which Buddha attained enlightenment. This tree is spread across many temples in India and considered to be a very divine tree. The flower of the peepal tree is very sandal in color. If you see the inside of the flower, you will notice a star shape which is red in color. This is very unique about this tree, in which the red part helps us feel more grounded and expanding our consciousness to see the purity of our soul's essence. Now, gently close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine the peepal tree flower in front of you, seeing vividly its structure, the geometric pattern in the center of the flower, emanating its beauty all around. Visualize yourself being filled with and completely surrounded by the energy of this flower. This flower helps us in heart awakening, opening our heart to love, breaking down any heart walls that we have created due to our past experiences, healing from any heartaches, and gently blossoming into love and compassionate towards other human beings. Observing the energies of this flower, healing our heart and opening our heart to accept and receive more love and support for ourselves. Take a deep breath and gently open your eyes. If you like this video, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.